Hi guys, welcome back to Nuta's kitchen. Today I'm going to show you the simplest method you can make popcorns at home using the easiest and simplest ingredients you have at your home. So you're going to need popcorn, and this is half a kg of popcorn. You're going to need some Blue Band or any kind of margarine that you have, and some vegetable oil. I'm just going to put a little bit of Blue Band on my pan. This is not compulsory, but I like it because it adds such a nice flavor to your popcorns, and a little bit of oil. So I'm just trying to make it melt a little bit quickly and trying to spread the whole mixture of my margarine and my oil in my pan so that I can add in my popcorn seeds. So once everything is melted and hot, go ahead and add in your popcorn seeds. You just want to make sure that everything is covered with the margarine and the oil. So that's what I'm trying to do, to make sure that all my grains are covered with margarine and oil. Another thing you should note is very little amount of your popcorn seeds are going to give you a lot of popcorn. So unless you want to cook a lot, in that case you should use a bigger pot, then just put a little. Then you cover your pot and then reduce your heat to low heat and then wait. And there you have it guys, quick and easy snack that you can make for yourself, or if you have kids they can enjoy. And mind you, I have all of this and I only use a handful of my popcorns. All of this is remaining and I'm definitely going to be making popcorns a lot. I hope you liked this video. I hope you're gonna come back and watch my other videos. Kindly subscribe if you have not subscribed to my channel, and turn on the notification bell so that you can be notified every time I put up an upload. Until next time, bye.